Some big changes are coming to the channel very, very soon. In fact, imminently. I have big plans that I'm excited to share with you. If you want to find out what they're all about, stick around. So, what do I have planned for you, my viewers, subscribers, and members? Let's check it out. Here is my YouTube page, youtube.com/at Peter Rising M365. Hit subscribe if you've not already done so. But you'll notice the join button is there. This is where you can access the membership levels on the channel. And if you click on join, you can see the various levels of membership. Currently, we have junior consultant for 99 pence per month, just under £1 in Great British pounds sterling. We have consultant for £2.99 a month, senior consultant for £5.99 per month, and the top level principal consultant of £22.99 per month. I have some wonderful members on the channel already, but I want to simplify this experience. I want to cut some of the levels and ideally over the next few months get those down to 2, which at the moment will be junior consultant level of the price point of 99 pence per month and the top level of principal consultant. Now, the big change that I'm planning here is I want to make my members only video content more accessible and more affordable to everyone out there. So effective immediately, as of right now, you are viewing this video. If you join the channel for 99 pence per month and become a junior consultant member, you have access to every single member's video that is in my archive, and going forward, access to every member's video that there is to come. Currently, as a junior consultant member, you get loyalty badges next to your name and priority reply to comments. Currently, you have to be a consultant level member to see all the membership videos, but that is changing as of right now. Now, I want to start producing more members exclusive content on the channel, and we're going to be doing that very soon. In the next week or so, I will be starting a brand new video learning series all about introduction to Microsoft Purview from the very beginning. What is Microsoft Purview? How do you get started? How do you learn it from top to bottom in the Microsoft Purview Center? That we've done a lot of on the channel recently, but this is going to be a dedicated video series all about Purview. It's not tied to any exam content, although it will probably help guide you in things like the SC400 exam guide. And I am going to give you that first video on the channel for absolutely free. It will not be a members only video. After you've watched that first one, to continue to watch the content, you will need to be a junior consultant member. I'm not going to make all of my videos members only. Don't worry about that. It's only select videos in a series like this that will be members only content. There's going to be plenty free videos for all viewers and subscribers on the channel, just like there always has been. So let me know what you think of this. I hope it motivates you to join the channel. I have so many wonderful members already, and I want that community to grow. I want to get to know so many more of you, and this is the way to do that, to engage and talk and grow this wonderful Microsoft 365 enthusiasts and learning community. It's so exciting to me. Okay, that was my message for today. Thank you so much for listening. Let me know in the comments what you think, and I will see you all very soon. Bye-bye.